Now we use these controls and shown the values inside of text box just to show you how it is easy to apply inside of Microsoft Word document. Let's, instead of showing on message box, apply this text inside of document. You don't know how to make the code? It is very simple. Go to the Word. As I mentioned before, you could record anything. I want to replace with my first one. Yes. Just type any text. Alright, and stop. Go to the Visual Basic. My code's generated inside of this module macro. Double click on that. There it is. This is my text. I could copy that. Right click, copy. Go to the form on this button. Instead of message box, I paste it here. Right click and paste. Selection dot type text. Text equal not test. Any values of here. Exactly the same message box. Let's run and try is it working or not. Okay, run the code. Start typing. Alex Julians and run. Hello Alex Julians, but we have some text before that. Of course, I could remove first. Go to the Word, remove that and run it again. Macros. As you see the macro here, it is different with the visual form we had here. We could actually call the forms inside of macros. These macros only showing on the Word, but this form it is not available inside of macro. In this case, actually you could just call the user form name. I'm going to my macro, remove these text, and start typing. The name was userform1 dot. We have the method. These greens are method show. Now let's go inside of Microsoft Word, macro, and run your macro. And there it is. Now your form is connected to that macro. Okay, Mansell, and run. Hello, Sam Mansell.